皆さん、こんにちは。私は、りょうです。Hello everyone. I'm Japanese teacher Ryo. Yeah. And also, today, I want to talk about my many students always say why Japanese is so hard. So, today's topic is why Japanese is so hard for English speaker. Yeah, let's find out why. Let's go. First reason, too many writing systems. Yes, Japanese has three writing systems: hiragana, katakana, kanji. Yes. Even though kanji, you have to remember more than 2,000 characters. Yeah. English is only one, which is alphabet, right? So that must be challenging. Yeah. Second reason, there are onyomi and kunyomi. Yeah, kanji there's quite many type of pronunciation. Yes. For example, this kanji. Yeah, this kanji is basically is rape and creature. Yeah. This kanji we can pronounce se, iki, nama, ki, u. Yes. It's many pronunciation, right? Because Japanese kanji borrowed from China, yeah, and mix them with Japanese word. So now one character has quite many pronunciation. Yes. Next, third reason was order. Yeah. For example, English is I eat sushi. Yeah. But Japanese sentence order I sushi eat. 私は寿司を食べる. Yeah, that means verb comes at the end. Yeah. For English speaker is feel very strange. Right? So that means you have to wait, finish what they are talking about to understand. Fourth reason, Japanese has politeness and phonemic. Yeah. In English, is usually say, I eat, like eat, and please eat. But Japanese say, 食べる?食べます?召し上がる. Yeah. You must change word depending on the situation. And that's so stressful for writers. Yeah, I know. Yeah. But it is that is. Let's go next. Fifth reason, indirect communication. Actually, Japanese does not say no directly. Japanese say instead no. We say maybe. It's too difficult. Yeah. That means often no. Yeah. Yeah, so you must read the atmosphere, not just language, it's culture too. Yes. Let's go summarize. Let's summarize why Japanese is so difficult. First, three writing system. Second, many kanji reading. Third, politeness rebels. Yeah. Fourth, cultural communication. Yes. It's hard. So, it's interesting. Yes. So, but no worry, if you keep going to study Japanese, you must be able to speak Japanese. So just keep going generally. Please believe your process. You must be able to make it. Yes. Well, that's all. Thank you for watching my video. And also, I'm offering Japanese lesson and Japanese coaching program. Yes. If you have interested, please check it out in my description. Yeah. Also, I'm offering 50% discount for coaching program right now. So, please check it out if you want to. お願いします。Well, see you in the next video. それでは次の動画でお会いしましょう。See you. Bye bye.